In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects to overlay in CapCut PC. First, make sure you're using the CapCut desktop app, not the web version. Go ahead and open your project in the editor. On your main timeline, you want your background video or image to sit on the primary track. If it's not there yet, look at the top left panel and click on Media. Here, you can either choose something you've already uploaded or click the Import button to bring in a file from your computer. Once you've added your main background to the primary track, you're ready to bring in your overlay. Now, repeat that process for the overlay video. Again, go to Media, choose or import the clip you want to use as your overlay. This time, instead of placing it on the main track, drag it onto a track above your background clip. This is important because anything on the higher track will be treated as the overlay. Adjust its position and length so it lines up exactly where you want the effect to appear in your video. Next, let's add the effect. Look back to the top left panel and find the Effects tab. Click on it to open the effects library. Take a moment to browse through the available options and preview a few until you find one that matches the look you're going for. When you've decided on an effect, click and drag it directly onto the track where your overlay video is placed. As you hover over the overlay clip, you should see the effect snap into place on that same track. When you release the mouse, you'll see an effect added notification appear on your timeline, confirming it has been applied. If for some reason the effect doesn't snap onto the overlay track, don't worry. You can drag the effect to the track just above your overlay instead. Then select both the effect and the overlay video together by holding the Control key on your keyboard and clicking each track. Once they're both highlighted, right-click and choose Create Compound. This groups them, so the effect is now linked specifically to that overlay. Now, play back your project and watch the preview. You should see that the effect is applied only to your overlay clip, while the main background media remains untouched. Make any timing or positioning tweaks you need until it looks just right, and that's it. You've successfully added an effect to an overlay in CapCut on your PC.